guys? Welcome back to the channel for another episode of In the Kitchen with Retro. As you can see, there are some grilled chicken breast strips. And here's my other ingredients. I'm making some, there we go, oven ready lasagna noodles. So today I'm making some chicken Alfredo lasagna. How does that sound? I think that sounds pretty scrumptious. So first thing I got to do is cut the chicken up and put it in my pan, then I'll add the Alfredo sauce. Okay, got my chicken breast strips here. These are pre-cooked. These come in the freezer section. So you want to thaw them out if you get them frozen. You can also get chicken strips that are just refrigerated. So I'm going to use this whole package, but I gotta cut it up, chop it up, you know, more than it is, because these are some pretty big pieces. But these are great for just like if you're making a salad, you want some chicken on your salad, just, you know, thaw them out and toss them on your salad like that. So I'm going to chop this chicken up with my chopping scoop here. And this is why they call it the chop and scoop. So you simply chop, scoop it on there, see how it holds a decent amount, and then put it in your pan like that. It's a nice addition to my knife set. Okay, so got my chicken there, got it chopped up pretty good. I'm just using some jar sauce, so yes, this ain't totally homemade from scratch, but this is a ragu roasted garlic parmesan. So I thought this would be more flavor than just the original. So I'm gonna pour this in. And to add a little flavor, I am going to put a little bit of Mrs. Dash in here. Okay, I'm just going to spray my I'm using a square pan. This ain't a traditional full-size lasagna casserole dish. This is kind of like maybe half the size, but I like my lasagna thick, so that's what I'm going for here today. So I'm just going to spray it here, some cooking spray. And today I'm using these Barilla, the oven-ready lasagna noodles. What's that mean, oven-ready? That means you simply put the dried pasta just like so, right in that casserole dish. So yeah, there's no boiling necessary. So you basically can skip that step. All right, so there's the bottom layer. So I'm gonna spoon it on here like so, and then we'll spread it out. Okay, so after got my meat mixture on there with the chicken and the Alfredo sauce, now I'm gonna put some cheese on here. Right now this is mozzarella. So in the layers, I'm putting mozzarella and sprinkling a little bit of Parmesan. And then on top, to give it a little color, I'm going to shred a little bit of Colby Jack cheese on it. Alright, some more noodles. Probably going to put about 3 or 4 layers here. Nothing like fresh shredded cheese. Shredding it yourself at home tastes better. If you take a block and you shred it yourself like this, then compare it to the stuff you get in a bag from the store, you'll notice a difference. And got out of Parmesan, so I'm going to just put the rest on by hand here. And now for some Colby Jack to put a little color on top. Not too much, just a little bit. I think that's going to do it. So I'm actually, here's a cool thing. This I did not heat that Alfredo sauce up or anything. So this is all cold. Because actually what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this in the fridge until it's time for me that I want to bake it. So that's the cool thing about this. You can prep it ahead of time, and that way if you got something going on, you can prep it ahead of time and then go do your thing. And then when you're done doing whatever you got to do, this is already made and ready. You just got to turn the oven on and slam it in there. So there we go. How does that look? Does that look nice or what? So I'm gonna cover this with foil and put it in the fridge, and then I'll be back when it's time to put it in the oven and take it out. Okay, so it's about time for dinner. So I got this lasagna out of the fridge. I'm gonna try the trick like I did with that Mr. P's frozen pizza, where I just preheated the oven, put the pizza in, and then when it was done preheating, I took it out. So I'm gonna try that trick with this lasagna. Only difference is I'm gonna preheat it to 450 because this does gotta cook a little bit. I'm gonna preheat it to 450. When it's preheated, I'm gonna take the foil off. Then, but leave it in there, and probably leave it in there for about 10 minutes. I'm interested to see how it turns out doing it that way. So here we go. Bake 450, and we stick it in the oven. So once that's preheated, I'm going to open the door real quick. Just take that foil off, shut the oven door back up, and then shut the oven off. But leave it in there for about 10 minutes, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm back in the kitchen, getting ready to take this lasagna out of the oven. Ooh, looking pretty good there, huh? So let's check it out. let's plate it up here and see what we got. Steaming, so we got some heat here, definitely. Let's see if it's done here. Looks cut pretty easy. Yeah, it's hot. I'm gonna have to blow on this. Yep, I would say it's definitely done. So yeah, the trick works. So I think I pulled it off. It appears I pulled it off. Do you guys agree? Chicken Alfredo lasagna. What do you think? I think the only thing I would do differently next time is I would grind the chicken up in my my hand crank meat grinder. I think I would do that. That way it'd be a better texture. But anyways, other than that, I think I pulled it off. So anyways, that's gonna do it for the video. But if this is your first time to the channel, tap that red subscribe button down there, then the bell next to it, ding ding, and that way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So until next time, keep it retro. Yeah. Got a blooper.